Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make a fresh apple pie. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 9-inch pie rounds. I'm going to be using our cream cheese pie dough that you can find on the channel, 2 pounds of Granny Smith apples, 1 egg, 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of water, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, an 1/8 teaspoon of allspice, and an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. We'll start by preheating our oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven's preheating, we'll whisk together our 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon of allspice, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Then we'll pull the skins off of our apples and rinse and peel them. After peeling our apples, we'll core and slice them. You can choose to cube your apples, which will make your pie easier to cut, or slice them, which will lead to a better presentation. Once we've sliced our apples, we'll melt our butter for 20 to 30 seconds in the microwave, and then toss our apples in our lemon juice and butter until fully coated. Then, we'll sprinkle in our sugar and cornstarch mixture, and continue to toss our apples until combined. Then, we'll press one of our pie rounds into a 9-inch pie dish and cut off all but 1 inch of the excess. Then prepare our egg wash by mixing together our egg and tablespoon of water. We'll brush this on top of our bottom crust, and then fill the pie with our apple pie filling. Once we've filled our pie, we'll prepare our second pie round by creating a lattice crust. We'll cut the round into strips and weave our top crust together. Then crimp our overhang to secure our lattice crust. Once woven, we'll brush the top of our pie with additional egg wash. Once we've prepared our pie for baking, we'll put it in the oven and allow it to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 10 minutes. After the first 10 minutes, we'll reduce our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and allow our pie to bake for an additional hour. It's been an hour and our pie is done. We'll remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely so that our filling sets, about 3 hours. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.